Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Microsoft Quick Assist on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. Select Apps on the left side, and then on the right side, select Optional Features. Select View Features up at the top where it says Add an Optional Feature, and you want to search for Quick Assist. That should be the best result. Go ahead and click inside of that and select Next, then select Install, and give it a moment here. And there you go, guys. Should be installed now. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.